Bill Cosby is facing a new sexual assault lawsuit in Nevada. It comes just weeks after a new law was signed in that state that made it possible to file claims no matter how old they are.
Around the country, these so-called look-back laws have been passed, which gives sexual assault survivors a short window of time. In some cases, it's unlimited, like Nevada just did, to file civil suits against their attackers, no matter how long ago it was.
In California, the statute of limitations is only 5 years, even though Senator Rubio, who's our friend, is trying to get it extended to 10. But yeah, like you say, Nevada has just blown the lid off of the whole concept of having a statute of limitations.
They come from the common law, and basically they were set up because at the time, it literally was people's memories. It's people testifying. That is it. And there was no forensics, there was no DNA, there was no scientific backup to prove cases over a long period of time. And that's why they may have been relevant back then, because it was all dependent on somebody's memory. But today, there's so much more evidence, and there's so little need for a statute of limitations. People can actually prove things decades way into the future. And so they should be eliminated. They are irrelevant now.
And it's interesting because we've talked about murder, there being no statute of limitations for murder. And I've heard quite a lot of lawyers weigh in on this and say things like, well, this is different. You know, the statute of limitations in sexual assault cases, well, the evidence fades and witnesses might die. And they're the reasons that they give for why the statute of limitations should remain. But that's the same for any murder case as well, right?
Absolutely.